Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Praktika AI. Now if you don't know what Praktika is, it is basically a tutor for English or other languages to learn. So 19 out of 20 English learners struggle to speak fluently. Praktika is here to change that. So it is basically a fluency app, not a learning app. It is basically a fluency app for beginners. So let's go over to Trustpilot to see the reviews. And as you can see, they're rated 2.5 out of 5 stars. So there are a lot of 1-star reviews here. So this person said, after confirming my discounted monthly subscription by email, they never kept their word despite numerous emails sent. I only had access to the promised service for 1 month, and then they disappeared. Dreadful customer service, app not recommended, to unsolved big problem, avoid Praktika app, still waiting for my refund, unfair charge, they said they will refund me, blah blah blah. So please do not use this app. It is basically you basically need to pay for it, and then if you want to get a refund, basically you can't get a refund from them. So they basically take your money and just disappear. So yeah, that is basically it. That is my review on the Praktika AI. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.